Today we're going to review the Christian Daily Planner. Now, this is the 2019 version, and just to be fair, they did send this to me many months ago. However, because of my forced YouTube hiatus, I was not able to record this video and show it to you until now. They do have a 2020 version, which you can pre-order, and I will leave a link to that below. However, keep in mind, it is a pre-order. They have free shipping on the pre-orders. However, there is no information yet on when the pre-order will be fulfilled or when it will ship out. So maybe they will have more details by the time this video airs, but at the time of recording at late September, I'm not really sure. But let's go ahead and take a look inside 2019 because I don't believe there are going to be lots of major changes for 2020. So you can get a good idea of what's inside and what these planners look like. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Now today we're looking at the Christian Daily Planner. In the interest of full disclosure, I did get a copy of this for free in exchange for an honest review. Now this does retail for only $19.99 right now because again, it's 2019. We're already at the end of September when I'm recording this. The 2020 version though is $34.97, so not going to break the bank. It has free shipping on pre-orders right now, like I mentioned, but I have no idea on when they will be fulfilled. But what I really like is that it has a little pen loop on the outside, so that's a little different, and it's black. It's like a basic black, so it is, I believe, more geared towards men versus women, and there's nothing wrong with that. You know, the Dayspring planners are really great, I think, for women, but they don't really have a more gender neutral or male friendly version. So I really like that these are a basic black, and inside everything is just black and white as well. So let's just go ahead and flip it open and see what's inside. This is the Christian Daily Planner, and to be fair, they sent this to me quite a while ago, but remember I had that forced YouTube hiatus, so through no fault of the Christian Daily Planner, this review is late. So that's why this is a 2019 planner, and people are buying 2020, but again, they're not late, it's just that I was not able to air this video for them earlier. All right, so it came in that tissue paper and the plastic, and it was directly from them. It looks like it has a nice little holder here for a pen on the outside, so we haven't seen that before. It has, I call it just the strap band, like the lap band across, that helps to advertise your planner, which works great when you have these solid colored hard covers. So we're just gonna take that off. And over here, I know it's hard to see, it's black. So it's great, I think, for men because there is absolutely nothing girly about this. So we have our who this planner belongs to. We have a welcome. So this text is kind of big and blocky. So if you don't like looking at small things, that should be helpful to you. And then they'll tell you what's inside. So a block for everything, and certain pages in here are perforated. So it looks like at the very back, there are pages that are, there's a perforation here. So like a travel checklist, you can just rip it out and take it with you. We have 2019 at a glance, dates to remember, all of the holidays, the goal map for 2019, and then we just jump right into January and we have a nice little quote from the Bible. And over here, you can do your last month in review, look at this coming month. And this is new, you can set up a budget. Obviously it won't get everything, but it looks like it's trying to help you get a lot of the major items. And then obviously tithing for your church. And then over here we jump into January, we have another Bible quote, and we have prayer reminders, habit reminders, and a space for notes. Now we have the week at a glance, and so this is a little different. So it looks like you can just put your goals over here, whatever you want for the day, and then we have an appointment slot here at the bottom, and you can add some spiritual goals, weekly tasks, what you're grateful for, and an end of week goal reflection. Service notes for when I guess you go to church, and prayer journal, and then just an empty page to put anything else down. So it looks like it does a basic rinse and repeat. I do like that it has the week numbers here at the top. I actually find that really helpful. I don't know if anybody else does, but I like seeing that. So we have, let's go ahead and jump to February. So January, there's no end of month wrap up, which is fine. That would probably make this too thick. But we jump to February, we get another Bible quote, and it looks like it just kind of repeats over and over again throughout the entire book. So let's go ahead and jump to the back and see some of these tear out pages that we get. So here at the back, it looks like once we get to the very last week of December, we get what's called the 2019 review. So the whole year, I guess, you can put some notes here. Honestly, most of the time, it's funny that they do this in planners. Most of the time, people have already moved on to their next planner, so they're not even writing in this one anymore. 2020 at a glance right here, we have a Bible reading log. So I really like this. I don't think a lot of people put this in, I haven't seen it in one of the faith-based planners, but I think it's great. You can just kind of mark stuff off with a marker or highlighter or however you want to do it. A contact page, books to read, movies to watch, little check boxes over here, password organizer, grocery shopping list. So here we start those sheets that you can tear out. So it looks like it's given you a few. You could obviously just copy these at your house. Meal planners, same thing. You could just copy these. It looks like it just gave you 4 or 5. Food and exercise tracking. Again, I guess if you wanted to track that, you could put that on a separate sheet. And then holiday meal planner. And we already saw the travel checklist. Wow, it's pretty long. Oh no, it's not long. It's just repeating. It's for someone, I guess, who likes to travel. Gardening planner. And that's it. So we get we get one blank page, sort of like a back end page. And then we get a file folder pocket that is horizontal. And it does have a nice little elastic strap right here on the edge. So what did you think? I really thought it had a lot of great features in it. And honestly, if you are thinking about making a divinity planner or a faith-based planner, this is an amazing opportunity to jump into this particular sub-industry of planners because these things are selling like crazy. Everybody wants a faith-based planner. It's like kind of the new hot thing right now. And honestly, I don't see that ending anytime soon. And again, like I mentioned before, I think this pen on the outside is very cute. I like the perforated pages to take with you and the fact that it's black and white and very plain. It has room to write notes for the service on Sunday. So every Sunday I watch Joel Osteen, and you'll notice if you see people in the audience, everybody is taking notes. So I really love the fact there is space in here to take some notes. The only downside, and it's not really a downside, just for me as a woman, is it's very blocky. The text is very generic looking, but that's kind of probably what appeals more to men. And that makes it more gender neutral and possibly a nice gift for the guy in your life. So let me know below what you thought of this planner, and I will see you guys on Monday. And remember, if you would like to make a planner of your own, make sure to sign up for my free 5-day course, Planner 101. I will leave a link in the description below, and I hope you're all having a fabulous day, and I will talk to you later.